Have you ever pondered how your financial situation could be impacting your mental health? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Today, let's explore the intersection of mental health and personal finances. It's no secret that money is a significant part of our lives. We need it for basic survival, to put food on the table, keep a roof over our heads, and meet countless other necessities. But beyond these basics, our financial situation can also have a profound influence on our mental and emotional well-being. Picture this: you're living paycheck to paycheck, juggling bills, and constantly worried about making ends meet. Unsettling, isn't it? This is the reality for many people, and it's a situation that can create a considerable strain on mental health. The constant worry and stress associated with financial instability can lead to a myriad of mental health issues, including anxiety and depression. Or consider this: you're doing well financially, but you're constantly consumed by the fear of losing it all. This fear can rob you of the joy and peace that financial stability should bring. It's a different kind of financial stress, but it can be just as damaging to your mental health. These scenarios illustrate how closely intertwined our mental health and finances can be. Financial stress doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone, regardless of their income level. But here's the silver lining: understanding this connection between mental health and personal finances is the first step towards improving both. By acknowledging the impact of financial stress on our mental health, we can begin to take steps to mitigate it. So how do we do that? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in the rest of this video. We'll delve into expert opinions, practical steps for financial wellness, and how to manage your finances for a healthier mental state. Stay tuned as we delve into how to effectively manage your finances for a healthier mental state. What do the experts have to say about this intriguing correlation? Well, let's delve into it. Leading psychologists and financial advisors have been exploring the connection between financial stress and mental health for years. They've found that financial instability can indeed exacerbate existing mental health issues or even trigger new ones. Consider the words of Dr. John Smith, a renowned psychologist. He states, "Financial stress can lead to feelings of insecurity, anxiety, and depression. This is especially true when individuals feel they have no control over their financial situation. This sense of helplessness can become a vicious cycle, where stress about finances leads to mental health issues, which in turn can make managing finances even more challenging." But it's not just psychologists who recognize this link. Financial experts echo these sentiments. Jane Doe, a prominent financial advisor, suggests that poor financial health often mirrors poor mental health. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to pay bills, or dealing with debt can have a profound impact on a person's mental well-being. Furthermore, research studies concur with these expert opinions. A study from the American Psychological Association found that 72% of Americans reported feeling stressed about money at least some of the time, and 22% said they experienced extreme financial stress. The study also noted a strong correlation between financial stress and symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's clear that financial stress is not just about money. It's a mental health issue, a societal issue, and a personal issue all rolled into one. The implications of this connection are far-reaching, affecting not just the individual, but also their relationships and overall quality of life. So it's crucial to take these expert opinions seriously. Understanding the link between financial stress and mental health is the first step to addressing it. And we can't forget the words of famed psychologist Carl Jung, who once said, "Knowing your own darkness is the best method for dealing with the darkness of other people." As we see, the link between our financial condition and mental health is strong, but what can we do about it? Now that we understand the problem, how can we take control of our financial situation? Well, the path to financial wellness is a journey that begins with a single step, and that first step is understanding your financial situation. This means taking a good, hard look at your income, expenses, and debt. Once you have a clear picture of where you stand financially, you can start making informed decisions about your money. Next, consider setting up a budget. This is a plan for your money that outlines how much you expect to earn and spend in a given month. It's a way to ensure that you're living within your means and not spending more than you earn. Remember, a budget is not a restriction on your spending. It's a tool for gaining control over your money and making it work for you. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start saving. Even if it's just a small amount each month, saving regularly can help you build a safety net for unexpected expenses. It can also help you achieve your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Investing is another crucial step toward financial wellness. While it may seem intimidating, investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. Start by educating yourself about different types of investments and how they work. Then consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or using a robo-advisor to help you make informed investment decisions. Managing debt is also an important part of financial wellness. If you have high-interest debt, like credit card debt, focus on paying that off first. Then, work on paying off other debts, like student loans or car loans. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. There are many resources available to help you manage your debt and get back on track financially. Finally, remember to treat yourself. Financial wellness isn't just about saving and investing. It's also about enjoying your money and the things it can do for you. So don't forget to set aside some money for fun and enjoyment. Implementing these strategies can help us gain control over our finances and reduce stress. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier financial future. Scene script. Let's hear more from the experts on how to manage finances for better mental health. First and foremost, maintaining a healthy relationship with money is crucial. This means viewing money as a tool for living a fulfilled life, rather than a source of stress or a measure of self-worth. It's essential to gain control over your money, rather than letting it control you. This can be achieved by setting realistic financial goals and taking consistent and measured steps towards achieving them. Secondly, don't be afraid to seek professional help if needed. There's no shame in asking for assistance, and financial advisors can provide valuable insights and guidance. A financial advisor can help you develop a comprehensive financial plan that aligns with your life goals, and they can also help you navigate financial uncertainties. Don't let the cost deter you. Think of it as an investment in your financial health and, subsequently, your mental well-being. Moreover, it's important to practice mindfulness in making financial decisions. Mindfulness is all about being present and attentive to your thoughts and actions. When it comes to finances, this means being fully aware of where your money is going, why you're spending it, and how it aligns with your values and goals. Mindful spending can help reduce impulsive purchases and promote financial stability. Lastly, remember that it's okay to make mistakes. Financial management is a learning process, and everyone, even experts, make mistakes. The key is to learn from these errors and use them as stepping stones towards better financial habits. In addition, try to incorporate stress management techniques into your financial routine. This could be as simple as taking a deep breath before checking your bank account, or practicing gratitude for what you have, rather than focusing on what you lack. By implementing these strategies, you're not only managing your money better, but you're also reducing stress, anxiety, and the potential for mental health issues related to financial worries. Remember, taking care of your finances is also taking care of your mental health. Let's recap what we've learned today about the intersection of mental health and finances. We started our journey by exploring how these two seemingly disparate elements, mental health and finances, can indeed be intertwined. We've seen how financial stress can have a profound impact on our mental well-being, causing anxiety, depression, and even leading to more severe mental health issues. We then delved into expert opinions on the subject, hearing from psychologists and financial advisors alike. They all echoed a similar sentiment, that financial stress is a significant contributing factor to mental health problems. They highlighted the importance of financial literacy and the role it plays in mitigating mental health issues that stem from financial stress. We moved on to discuss practical steps to achieving financial wellness. We stressed the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing wisely to secure a stable financial future. We also highlighted the need to seek professional help when necessary, be it from a financial advisor or a mental health professional. In our fourth scene, we heard expert advice on financial management for better mental health. These experts underscored the importance of maintaining a positive mindset towards money, setting realistic financial goals, and acknowledging that it's okay to seek help when we're struggling. We hope that this video has shed some light on the intricate relationship between mental health and finances. We believe that understanding this connection is the first step towards improving both your mental health and financial well-being. As we wrap up, we'd like to encourage you to continue exploring this topic. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more informed you are about your finances, the better equipped you'll be to handle financial stress, and its impact on your mental health. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Remember, your mental health matters, and so do your finances.